Good morning, you guys. So before breakfast, I'm just gonna have a little bit of, not a little bit, but this was like almost full jar of warm water and apple cider vinegar. Okay, so my breakfast today consisted of yesterday's leftover cabbage and pork that you saw. And for a snack, I'm going to have something super delicious. As you can see, probably I'm trying to open with one hand and it's like a nightmare. Okay, there you go. Delicious almond butter and raw coconut butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and I'm gonna add some to a little bowl or a cup and mix them up. Hi, Avivi. What do you want to do with Peppa? Mama Pig wants to do something. Ah, there's the Peppa basket. Oh. Actually, I don't even know what this is from. Can't figure it out. Gabe, what is this from?
What's what?
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out, sweetie pie. What else are we doing? Avivi wanted to play some Peppa stuff, so we are like pulling things out. Yeah. And I'm ready for a snack. Avivi. Oh. Can you bring me a slide?
Bicycle.
It's a bicycle. Who can we put on top of it? We can put anybody on it. Who was supposed to be on it? Danny the dog or who? I forgot. Freddy the fox? Maybe it was Freddy.
Bicycle.
Yep, that's true. This is supposed to be here. Look. Here is Peppa's park.
The Papa.
Hi, Vivi.
Yeah, Mom, can we make this one? I want to make this one.
There's a barbecue in the bathroom. Oh, that's so funny. I know, 2 barbecues. What are they gonna do, Vivi? Oh, Danny wants to sleep. Yeah, put him to sleepy. Shh. Gotta be quiet. Oh no. That was one big snore. Oh no. So there you go. This is all mixed up now, and I'm just gonna have it with apple slices, just like that. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna make my boys some pancakes. I bought this. Okay, you guys have to check out this haul that I will post here in the near future. It is not Whole30, so I kind of didn't post it on time when I was supposed to, and now I don't know when to post it because now I'm like trying to show you guys some Whole30 ingredients and food meal ideas and stuff like that. So I'm like on that topic. That's the theme of the month, I guess. But I have this haul and I bought some stuff at Costco. I'm gonna just give you guys a little peek here. But I bought this at Costco, and it's a pumpkin spice mixture. It actually has some real pumpkin in there. It's powdered dry pumpkin, but it's pumpkin nonetheless. So anyways, it was super cheap. It was $1.97. It's gonna be one of those things that I will show you in my haul. But I wanted to share, not share, but I wanted to show you guys I'm making pancakes right now for the boys. So I'm really hoping they like it because I can't eat. Danny can't eat. So it's just the boys, as what you know. But yeah, they look good to me. And they smell really good, like pumpkin-y. Uh-oh, that one is no good, I guess. This one is hotter for some reason, always. So, yeah. I'm gonna continue on before I burn all of them. Habibi! Hi! Is that delicious? Is that delicious? Show me the pancake. Mmm, pancake. Delicious. Can you say delicious?
Delicious.
Yeah, delicious. Oh, Mama was kissing Avivi.
What's that? Not Donald.
We brought some snow home.
Horses?
Yeah. Elephant.
Horses?
What?
Because this.
Ooh, I don't know what that means.
Because this.
Run, run, run. Run, 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 run. Avivi is playing with the snow. Is that fun? Do you like it? Are you having fun? Nice. Cutie patootie. Okay, so here's what my pork looks like. Raw and undressed. Completely naked. So, in its raw state. Vulnerable state. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to peel some garlic. I have a big baggie of garlic from Costco, and I am going to what am I going to do? I'm gonna put some salt, I'm gonna put some pepper. So here's my sea salt, my black pepper, and my garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and start like piercing it and sticking garlic down those little holes, and add a little bit of water, but we'll get there, so stay with me. So I think I'm gonna let it go for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna eat some yummy dinner. Come on.
Come on.
Hi, what do you think about that? You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, where are you going now? He's copying everything I'm saying. Oh, this is so good.
Edwin!
Whoa!
Edwin!
Airplane, you say? Let's see if it's slippery here. No, not too bad. No, not too bad.
Open.
It's pretty cold outside. Be careful, baby. Don't fall anywhere. That would not be why we came here. Careful. There you go. I'll hold his hood. Ta-ta-ta-ta.
Oh, hi.
Where are you going? Avivi, come to Mama now. Aviv, come back.
Come on.
This way, let's go that way. There you go. Da, 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 da. Careful, don't slip on these crazy icicle things. Be careful. Uh-oh. Oopsie doopsie. Say, how do I get up in all these clothes? He's so bundled right now. It's crazy. It is crazy. Habibi. Hi. What do you think about the snow, baby? This is like your real winter. First real winter, huh? What did you do? Yeah. Habibi's heading somewhere. Where are you headed to?
Where are you going?
Where are we going?
Where are you going?
Mm-hmm. Be careful. Turn around. Come back to Mama. He's so cute. Come back to Mama. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Let's go turn around. It's a parking lot. We don't want to be in a parking lot. There's going to be cars coming through. Woo! Come back, come back, come back, come back. Turn around. Let's go this way maybe. No. Actually, that area is very pretty. Da, 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 da. Hi. Come on. You want to walk in the snow? You can.
Oh, yeah.
It's so cold, Abibi. Your nose and your cheeks are cold. We are taking a little snowy walk. Abibi seems to be loving it. So, that is good. And it's so cold. Not sure what I think about that. I need my sunshine, but this is beautiful. Wow. Look at that little boy walk. That's not bad at all, Aviv. Walking in the snow.
Go there.
Go there. Just be careful. Don't fall. Don't fall now. Come. Okay. Okay, my baby. Okay, I hope that we can get home without a bunch of yelling. It's getting really cold out here. Avivi, you want to play here? There's our home right there. Our home. Let's go play here. You can walk here. There's a lot of snow. Look at that. He doesn't play. No, let's go here. Play here. Oh no. What? Hello, the little naked booty butt. Okay, guys, so I am making dinner. I've got these, what are they called? Hasselback potatoes. So I didn't have russet potatoes, I have yellow potatoes. This is what I'm using, and here is some ghee and olive oil and some rosemary, a little bit of salt and pepper, no pepper, just salt, just because I want it to kind of leak inside all those little slices. So that's what we're gonna have. I'm gonna also add some apple slices and probably some onions. Hey guys, here's the pork. I just sliced it and I'm just letting it kind of absorb some of the juices. But anyways, I'm cutting this for the kids. I gotta feed them as soon as possible. The time is running out, and this is their noodles. They're gonna have a little bit of noodles with some pork and probably like a pickle or something. And for me and Danny, we're just gonna have some roast. And I was gonna make him Brussels sprouts, but he says he doesn't have time. He's gonna go back to work. Anyways, I was making those potatoes. See those little apple slices there? Yeah, that's probably gonna take another, like, I'm guessing about another 15 minutes maybe. Better set the time before I forget about it and it's gonna burn. So that's it. But I think it's just gonna be easy. He asked me to make him sandwiches, so I'm gonna make him 2 sandwiches with this beautiful roast. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I show you guys the sandwiches. They were pulled pork sandwiches with caramelized onion on top. And for the dress... Hi, what happened? Oh no! Oh, my baby. Gabe, go jump with a Vivi for now. I need to wrap up the kitchen. So anyways, for the dressing or the whatever spread for the sandwich, I used my cilantro mayo. It was, Danny said it was lovely and it was amazing. So let's hope that it wasn't because he was super hungry. And here's the potato. I'm just gonna give it to him and see what he thinks about it. Just let him like dip into it. So that's the potato. This is what it looks like here in the pot. I was gonna give him that one, but that one fell apart. So forget it. I want him to have a beautiful one. So there you go. Okay, and here's the pork. Basically, it pulls away like so easy. It's cold already, but yeah, it falls apart really easy. And then when you let like the meat fall into the drippings, it just becomes so like tender and flavorful. So that's it, you guys. This is dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and start clean up, and then we're gonna play some, what is it called, Zoo Tycoon on the Xbox with the boys before Aviv goes to sleep, and that's it. And he's ready to go to bed, basically even now, but it's too early, so I have to wait to put him to sleep. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little food vlog, and let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you use pork, and how do you use the pork, because I would love more delicious recipes. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. What is this? What claw is this? It's a what? A spear. Oh no. Are you having fun with that? It looks like it's about to like poke my eyeballs out. Oh no.
Okay, run.
Whee.
Let me see what I can do.
Avivi likes to watch himself sometimes. Our own vlogs end up on our TV.
Train.
He's like, Avivi. Train. It was just jump and now it's train. Oh yeah? Where are you going now? What?
Okay.
Okay. What are we gonna do?
Okay.
We just had a train tracks. What happened to them? Who took them away, huh?
Train.
Now we have to build them all over again.
Train.
Okay, let's get our bridge pieces. You want to put them together yourself? What? There you go. Good job. And let's get more pieces. Almost. Uh-oh, like that. There you go. You can't make a square? That's how you do it? Yeah. And then get 2 more balls and a stick. Oh no, are you trying to break it? Are you exploring? I think he's exploring.
Wow, again, saved it. It's fun.
Uh-oh. That's good. Oh, wow. There goes the flag. Oh, my gosh. Whoa, that's crazy. Whoa, Gabe, be careful so it doesn't bump him.
Okay.
That's a square. Woohoo! Can you say bye?